struggle in vain like an idiot! I hate myself! All I do is talk a big game and make myself sound like a big shot when I can't do anything! I never do anything, and I complain with the best of them like it's my job or something! Who the hell do I think I am?
A dream. I saw a dream. A dream that wouldn't end. Over and over again, I repeated and corrected every mistake. Before I knew, I lost count. I died over 100 million times. And yet there was still a place I wanted to reach.